So you got part two of my documentary on fixing my PlayStation. Uh, I thought I had to wait until tomorrow, but I did a last minute search on a little smaller screwdriver, and I luckily came behind one. Um, this part's get tricky, so I think I'm gonna have to look on YouTube again and see how that chick, or no, that guy, he did it. Yeah, he explained it kind of beautiful, and let's see how he took it off. And I'm gonna do the same thing. This is the tricky part. I need to get to my Blu-ray so I can cleanse it. She needs to be cleansed now. Okay, signing off.